everything there is to know about email? Probably not. And I have 4 tips and tricks to share with you today with my host, Mary Kay Nielsen. And I'm Marcia Ramsland, your organizing pro. And we are teaching a class coming up, Overcome Email Overload. Yes, you know that you have email overload if you have over 20 in your inbox. Hmm, that would be everybody. So, we are going to teach tips and tricks, and here are 4 of them to get you thinking about it. The first one is from me, and that is unsubscribe, not by doing it one email at a time. Stop, stop, stop doing that. There are programs that will let you do a whole batch at once. For instance, I signed up for one program probably 4 or 5 years ago, and I love looking back at it because it takes all my email, especially newsletters, puts them there alphabetically, and I go through and go unsubscribe, unsubscribe, unsubscribe. And do you know what? I've unsubscribed from over 800. I know, isn't that shocking? I don't sign up for these. They just keep populating because they sell our names to someone else. So if you are unsubscribing one at a time, stop it. You need to join the class and we'll show you what programs can do it fast for you. Okay? You won't miss any email and we'll make sure that we save you time with these programs. Mary Kay, what's the second tip? What do you have for us?
One of my favorite tips, Marcia, is to take your notifications on your phone and turn it off. I spend most of my day on my phone just jumping every time the notification would come up that I got an email. And studies have shown that that notification actually causes physical stress in your body. So I turn that notification off and I control when I check my email. So that's my second tip, is turn that notification button off for your emails on your phone.
Okay, good idea. And the third tip I have is that you want to learn to use short keys. You go, what are short keys? It sounds like shortbread. Well, it's almost tastes as good. Short keys is you can, for instance, I can set up S7 and it will type in Marcia Ramsland, comma, your organizing pro. And I'm like, okay. Now, when I write my family, I don't want that signature there. Instead, they want mom or Marcia. And so I don't have it as a regular part of my email signature because they would say, seriously, mom, we don't need to know what you do for work. So use short keys and we will show you how to find that and how to use it. That's my tip number 3.
And Marcia, tip number 4 for me is set up a specific time of day to check your email. You do not want your email controlling you where you're checking it all day long. Find a time that works best for you. Mine is first thing in the morning. That's when my brain is clear. I'm fresh. I spend 15, 20 minutes checking my email when it needs to be checked. And I decide when I get that email done. So I would suggest pick a time that's convenient for you and check your email at the same time every day.
Well, that works perfectly because you're on the East Coast and I'm on the West Coast, and I do my time before supper. And that way I can send you an email. It'll be there first thing in the morning for you. So, whatever you do, I think the point is, folks, we want you to not be checking your phone all day long and not really handling it. So, there are ways to handle on your phone, ways to handle it on your computer, and we will teach you those, especially in the class. We want to take out email overwhelm for you. We want to teach you how to take the anxiety out of letting go of email, and we will show you positive ways to use it so it can really enhance your life and it feels like a blessing rather than a drain that you have to do every day. So don't ignore it. Don't just keep buying more space. You need to deal with it. Otherwise, you might be losing time, you might be losing money, or you might be losing an important invitation. Okay? All right. So go over to my website, organizingpro.com, Sign up for freedom from email overload. Mary Kay and I will be there to teach you. We can't wait for the coaching part because we get to coach each person in the class. We put a timer on so everybody has equal time, and we look at your situation and give you the answers that have been eluding you for years. And you will say, oh, I never thought it was so easy. All right, we'll see you at Organizing Pro. Go sign up right now, and we will get your email under control. See you soon. Bye for now.